What's up, it's Andy Feliciotti and welcome back to another video. Today Megan and I are in Minnesota and we're going to go explore Isle Royale National Park and go check out the hikes and things like that. Now the one interesting thing about this national park is you actually have to get there by plane or boat, so you can't bring your car there. So we're actually going to go catch the boat this morning and spend a couple hours on the island. Oh yeah, we're also staying in this really beautiful bubble here in Lutzen, Minnesota, so we're about an hour away from the port. Let's go head up the shore and see what we can see. So we just got off our 90-minute boat trip to Wendigo, and day trippers coming to the park only have about 4 hours to explore. So we're trying to do as much of the Minon Trail as we can. So we'll probably get about 6 miles of hiking in. So let's see if we can make it to the overlook. What do you think about it, Megan?
Buggy.
So we got about 2.5 miles into the hike and we realized that we probably don't have enough time to head to the overlook and head back to the boat. So right now we're heading back to Wendigo and we're gonna have our lunch and check out the gift shop. Snackapalooza. So we just finished lunch and we had a few extra minutes to spare. So now we're doing the Feltman Trail and then we're gonna hop on the boat and head back. We think we made the wrong decision on trails. This one has a lot more coastline to check out. If you're planning a trip to Isle Royale National Park, we definitely recommend trying to stay the night, either camping or staying in the lodge. Just keep in mind that we tried to book the boat and everything 2 months out and there was no campsites available and no room at the lodge. So you definitely want to check out really early in advance to make sure that you can actually get a spot to stay on the island. We tried to book the seaplane, but it was all booked up. But you could see in our video, we took the boat ride and we saw the Little Cedar Spirit Tree and also a lighthouse. I didn't actually expect to have a little tour there while we went there. Now, if you want more tips for visiting Isle Royale or Minnesota and the North Shore, definitely check out the links in the description. I'll include little guides and has extra tips and things like that. And thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe, and see you around. Bye.